Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by creating your project and opening it in Visual Studio Code so you can act immediately. Once done, install Bootstrap either with npm iBootstrap to manage versions or paste the CDN link in your HTML head for speed. Both work, but npm gives you control. Then add Live Server and Bootstrap IntelliSense extensions to speed iteration. This gives you instant reloads and class suggestions. Make sure the package installs complete before you continue to scaffold pages. Now wire Bootstrap into your files so components actually work. Link Bootstrap. Min. CSS in the head or import it from node modules in your main JS/CSS entry. This applies core styles immediately. For interactive components, add Bootstrap. Bundle. JS or import the JS modules so dropdowns, modals, and tooltips function. Use a starter template and emmet to scaffold grids and navbars quickly, and rely on IntelliSense to find class names. This saves time and avoids typos. Finish by testing your layout across viewports and refining spacing, colors, and breakpoints. You want a consistent responsive result. Once satisfied, customize with SCSS variables or override CSS, then run your build step to minify assets for production. If something goes wrong, check the browser console, confirm your CSS and JS paths, and ensure the Bootstrap bundle is loaded after dependencies. If classes don't apply, clear cache and reload. These checks resolve most integration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.